Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making macaroni and cheese. Here I have a vegan mac and cheese and it's sweet potato pumpkin shell. My daughter, she's excited when she saw this one. So I'm gonna do a quick and easy baked macaroni. Adding the macaroni. Half a teaspoon of salt. I will let this boil like for 6 minutes. Keep stirring. 2 minutes more and the macaroni is all done. Then I'll strain it and then I'll start it on the stove. So I'll be using red onion, green onion, thyme from our garden, parsley from our garden, 1 cup of milk, quarter stick of butter, a little bit more over, half a cup of shredded Gouda cheese. And I have some colorful sweet pepper here, which my husband been cutting all morning. I freeze some, so one is from our garden, the red one. So he been chopping up all my vegetable all morning, and this is from our garden. I'll make some tomato salad another day. Macaroni is still on there. Draining the mac and cheese. That's it here, shell macaroni and cheese. In the same pot, I'm adding the butter. Adding the onion, thyme, green onion, and parsley. Looking nice. Adding the peppers. So colorful. Check out the color for the macaroni. Such a nice color. This is the package that comes with the macaroni. The sauce. It says happiness starts here. Adding the seasoning for the sauce, for the macaroni. Adding 1 cup of milk. Looking nice. I'll let this start to boil, then I'll add the macaroni. Starting to boil now. Look at that color. This is healthy macaroni and cheese. It is a healthy one. It's vegan and it's organic. Sweet potato pumpkin shell. Add in the macaroni. Add in a quarter teaspoon of sugar. Add in the cheese. And this is Gouda cheese. My daughter grated, Melina. A big shout out to Melina for grating the cheese. And for my husband for cutting up all the peppers. So I'll add the macaroni to the pan now for baking. Macaroni looks so nice. Check out the colors. This is one healthy macaroni and cheese. Check out this, guys. This is going in the oven for half an hour. I'll cover it and put it in the air fryer for half an hour. So macaroni is in the air fryer on 300 degrees for half an hour on bake. There it is in there. We'll wait half an hour, then I'll show you how it comes out. Meanwhile, the macaroni is cooking. I'm making some ghee roti here with squash from our garden and shrimp. So roti is cooking here. Meanwhile, the macaroni is baking. Smells so good. The ghee smells so good. Look at that, swelling so nicely. Such a nice roti. Cooking some squash from our garden, looking so nice. Make it with a little curry and tomato paste. This go with the roti. Roti looking nice too. Macaroni looking so nice. 5 more minutes and it's done. Macaroni and cheese is done. Look at that, guys. Looks so nice. Baked macaroni and cheese for the kids. Looks so good. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you like how it turns out. This is a healthy macaroni and cheese, organic. Thanks again.